With the B2B freight functionality, you can display your shipping costs to customers at checkout. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by going to Freight Settings. You can get there by clicking on Settings, Freight, and then on Freight Settings. Eventually, you'll want to toggle on Add Freight to Checkout, but first you need to set the zones and rates. Once you've given your zone a name, you can then add countries to it. Just hover over the cog icon and click on Edit Countries. Your options will be remembered, so when you've selected the countries you'd like in your zone, just click here to exit. If you're shipping within or to Australia, New Zealand, Canada, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, or the US, you can specify regions within these countries, allowing you to be more precise with your rates. To add and edit shipping rates, hover over the cog icon for the desired zone, and this time click Edit Rates. Give your rates a name, then click Edit. Customer tiers will pull through from Unleashed, but the rate for B2B freight is defined here in your B2B store. Great! When you've set up your zones and rates, you can go back and toggle on the Add Freight to Checkout button. Once on, freight will automatically be added to your customers' orders. If you'd like to apply your customers' tax rates to the freight, you can do so by toggling on the Add Freight Tax button here. If your customer does not have a tax rate set, your company tax rate will apply. Please note that B2B freight functionality is only available to you if you're on a Premium or Premium Plus subscription. And don't forget, for a detailed explanation of B2B freight, just head to the Help File page. Thanks for watching.